The Aggregate Project Planning Framework. The Aggregate Project Planning (APP) framework is a method used in project management to help organizations plan and manage their resources for a period of time, typically 6 to 12 months. The goal of APP is to balance the demand for resources with the available capacity in order to meet the organization's goals and objectives. Let's see the following example of a manufacturing company, Harley-Davidson, from Harvard Business Review article Harley-Davidson's Radical Decision by Robert J. Thomas, to learn how we can apply the Aggregate Project Planning Framework. Background of Harley-Davidson. Harley-Davidson was facing declining sales and increased competition in the motorcycle industry. To address this, the company implemented an APP process to optimize its manufacturing capacity and improve its overall competitiveness. Procedures of how Harley-Davidson utilized the Aggregate Project Planning Framework. Step 1. Demand forecasting. Harley-Davidson analyzed market trends and customer demand to forecast the demand for its motorcycles over the next year. Based on this analysis, the company determined that demand for its motorcycles was likely to decrease by 5% over the next 12 months. Step 2. Capacity planning. The company reviewed its current manufacturing capacity, including its workforce, production equipment, and raw materials inventory, to assess its capacity to meet the forecasted demand. The company determined that it had excess capacity and could reduce its manufacturing footprint without impacting production levels. Step 3. Resource allocation. Based on the demand forecast and capacity assessment, the company developed an APP plan to allocate its resources over the next 12 months. The plan included a prioritized list of manufacturing projects, as well as a resource allocation matrix that specified how the available resources would be allocated to each project. The company prioritized investments in automation and process improvements to optimize its manufacturing operations. Step 4. Monitoring and control. Harley-Davidson continuously monitored and controlled the APP plan to ensure that it remained on track and aligned with its goals and objectives. The company tracked actual sales data and production performance against the plan and made adjustments as necessary to ensure that it was meeting its goals. The company also used project management software to track progress on specific projects and activities and to identify any issues or variances that needed to be addressed. To sum up, by applying the APP framework, Harley-Davidson was able to optimize its manufacturing capacity, improve its efficiency, and reduce costs. The APP framework provided a structured approach to resource planning and allocation that enabled the company to improve its overall competitiveness in the motorcycle industry.